Nearsoft is widely respected for its range of simple yet powerful tools, and MyUninstaller is no exception. It is designed to serve as a more advanced alternative to the standard Windows Add Remove Programs utility, providing users with greater functionality and an improved interface. The primary purpose of MyUninstaller is to simplify the process of managing installed applications on Windows. It enables users to view detailed information about all installed programs, such as the program name, version, installation folder, registry entry, and more. In addition to uninstalling programs, it allows users to generate detailed HTML reports about the installed software, which can be useful for documentation or troubleshooting purposes. What sets MyUninstaller apart is its speed and usability. Unlike the default Windows utility, it displays all installed programs almost instantly, eliminating delays. The tool is also portable, requiring no installation. This makes it particularly appealing for IT professionals and users who prefer minimalistic and efficient tools without adding unnecessary bloat to their systems. Another notable feature is its ability to uninstall multiple programs simultaneously, a function absent in many similar utilities. Moreover, MyUninstaller offers advanced functionality such as the ability to delete orphaned registry entries for programs that were improperly removed, helping to keep the system clean and optimized. In summary, MyUninstaller by Nearsoft is an indispensable utility for anyone looking to enhance their control over installed software. Its intuitive interface, portability, and robust features make it an excellent choice for